Hi, my name is Kari Shimmin. I've been the head volleyball coach at Monmouth College since 1998. As a former volleyball player here at Monmouth College, when I took over as head coach, what I wanted to do was to make sure that we were a constant contender to the conference championship, and that's still our goal today. We want to make sure that we are in the top 4 of our conference. We're going to win conference. That's our goal. There's 3 things that I look for in an athlete. I'm looking for someone that has a positive attitude. I'm looking for someone that is constantly communicating, and I'm also looking for someone that has a great work ethic, whether it's in the volleyball, on the volleyball floor or in the classroom. It's what I call ACE. A is for attitude, C is for communication, and E is for effort. And I think if you can do those 3 things, then you're going to be successful in whatever you're doing. And our crowds, we have a great crowd, a lot of athletes. We've got faculty that'll come and watch us play, community members, and it's just a high intensity atmosphere to be a part of. I think what makes Monmouth College so special is, number 1, our facilities. We have outstanding facilities, but most importantly, I think what makes Monmouth College special is the people. The people make the difference here at Monmouth College. If you'd like to learn more about our program, then what I'd ask you to do is to go online and fill out the recruit me form.